Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Sunday. This is Darlene. For this video, I didn't record myself actually talking in the video while I was making the video. I was listening to a training video I purchased while I was working. So in this video, I used those alphabet letters and those colorful beads that I got at Michael's the other day. And it was like 5 strands for $4.99, and it was buy one get one half off. That little deal that they, well, not necessarily a deal, but that little pricing strategy they had going on. Okay, so I was like, okay, well, what am I going to do with these color beads? I really wasn't sure that I wanted to match them with any of the bigger beads, the hand painted bigger beads. I really didn't want to do that. And then I was like, okay, then what am I going to do with the alphabet letters? And I can't really spell out something on more than maybe one or two bracelets because it's only one bag of alphabet letters, right? So, and in fact, I think it was, how many was in there in that bag? I'm looking at the label right now, but I don't know how many was in that bag, but it wasn't enough letter beads for me to make, like 10 bracelets and get 10 exact words or different words out of the bag. So what I did is I went ahead and just strung those bracelets, just random beads. There's nothing spelled out or anything like such. And what I did is I tried to spell different words on, like different beads. Well, one bracelet ended up with the word power. Another word bracelet ended up with the word Zen. Another one ended up with the word dog lover. Well, 2 words, dog lover, or something like that. But then it had to be surrounded with just like random beads. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to just put random beads on here. So then what I did is I went ahead and I put those I went ahead and put those bracelets on my fair store. And the reason why I put them on the fair store is because when people are unfair, they can select on the left side the price point that they want to search, right? So if they want to search for something that's, I don't know if they start off at $1 or something, but I do know it's like maybe $3 to $5 or something like that. So if they want to search, like low price points, what will happen is these particular bracelets, and those are really cute. I put these bracelets at $2.50. So I put them at $2.50 as just kind of like a strategy to get people to my actual fair store, because my products are priced higher, a lot higher than, like $7.50 or $10.50, like what a lot of other people are selling theirs for on fair. And because mine are so unique, I went ahead and, they have to be priced accordingly. So that little strategy, I'm hoping will work, and it's something new that I'm trying by adding in some lower price items. And then, hopefully that will, get people to my my marketplace. And I do like the way the little bracelets came out. They look really nice. And then I went ahead and matched them too with those black and white checker beads, and then some of those brown wood spacer beads. And they actually came out pretty good. And also what I did is I had put a letter charm on them, but I have since taken the charm off. And I did that because I didn't want to have to do a whole lot of explaining in the in the description area that, this one has a B letter or that one has a E letter as a charm and that kind of stuff. So I said, you know what, that's really nice right there. I love the way they came out. It's like a really inexpensive, cute little bracelet that looks expensive to me. I mean, it looks really cute. I really love the way it came out. So after service today, if God says the same, I'm going to run out to Joann's and see if they have more of these little letters. And I think these were like 30, maybe 30% off. I'll check because I don't even remember what the price was. Remember, the price wasn't on the receipt. So I'm going to go. In fact, I'm going to go to them probably down here by my house and see if they got them because I don't feel like driving way out to Point Loma. I just don't feel like it. I just don't feel like it. Okay. All I'm going to do is run up out of here. I'm going to go to service. And I'm thinking I want to cook something. I want to cook something like really good. I might stop and get me like a really nice steak and then come back and make me a steak with a baked potato and a nice big salad and a nice bed of veggies and just kind of veg out. All right, this is all I wanted to show you guys. Just this little quick little video.